All right, we're kicking off with Manchester Apartments versus Jonathan Caner, a classic landlord-tenant dispute. Listen closely. This first part is a conditional dismissal, which means the judge is giving the tenant a chance to make things right before a full eviction happens. Let's see if he keeps his end of the deal.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alex Tolzien appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Manchester Apartments.
Hefner Caner, see here.
Yes.
Where are you, sir? All right, you'll need to turn on a camera, please. All right, where are we on this case?
We have a conditional dismissal, Your Honor.
Notice how the judge is double-checking every term? That's crucial. In eviction cases, conditional dismissals act like a probation period for tenants. One mispayment, and boom, collision, judgment can be entered automatically. No second hearing, no second chances.
Okay. Go ahead. What are the terms?
Rent through the end of August is $574. I show court costs of $200.50. A total outstanding balance of $704.50. Defendant is to pay $300 on or before today, August 15th, and $474.50 on or before August 29th. My understanding is that the defendant has paid.
Here comes the classic confusion. Can I just pay my court fines with rent? Nope. Court costs go to the landlord here, not the court clerk. This might sound minor, but mix-ups like this often lead to missed payments and, ultimately, eviction. Always read the fine print, folks.
Paid the $300. It just has not been applied to the ledger yet. So it'll just be that secondary August 29th payment, and both of us have signed that document.
All right. And upon the default on that document, without hearing, you would be able to, by affidavit, reopening affidavit, submit a judgment and writ.
Yes, 4B is checked and 7 partial payment is checked as well on that document.
All right. Very good. Sir, is that your understanding of your agreement?
Yes.
Do you have any questions whatsoever regarding that conditional order of dismissal?
Nope.
All right. I do have to advise you, and once it's presented to me, that I will sign that that conditional order of dismissal. I do have to advise you have 3 business days to think about it from the date of my signing of that order. If you believe that there's some misunderstanding, some confusion, or some non-assertion of right that has happened in this case, you would have to file a motion with the court within those 3 business days. That doesn't mean that I would set it aside. It just means that you have that opportunity to come back before the court. Do you understand that?
Yes. I
All
suppose
right,
I do have
fantastic.
one question. For the
Yes,
court
sir.
fines, can I just file that with the normal rent check with my apartment?
Pardon?
With the court fines that I have, the $200, can I just put that on with the court with the rent paycheck?
The court fines? You mean the court costs?
Yes.
The court costs are paid to the plaintiff, so you pay that to your landlord.
Excellent. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I will mark this file conditionally dismissed, and I'll await the order for my signature.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You do the same.
And here we go, a default judgment. That means the tenant didn't show up, so the landlord automatically wins. It's a harsh reality. Not showing up to court is like forfeiting the game before it even starts. Imagine losing your home simply because you didn't log into Zoom.
Court calls the case of Six Trails versus Sha Dixon.
Good morning. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sidney Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
Has not. Sha Dixon, not here. If you'd like to take a default, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, this is a non-payment rent possession case, second hearing. Defendants failed to appear. This time requesting a default judgment. To the best of my knowledge, defendant is non-military, a minor, or unable to stand trial. To the best of my knowledge, the property is being kept habitably. At this time, there's currently a balance due, including costs totaling $3,145. That's $3,145. Requesting a default judgment in that amount with writ to be issued after August 25th.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount, in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Willow Ridge Apartments versus Maya Hines.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. My camera
All
is
right.
broken, so it won't come on. It's like crack.
All right. What is plaintiff's claim?
Your Honor, this is a non-payment rent possession only. There's currently a balance due, including costs totaling $5,798. That's 5798.
All right. Ma'am, how are you intending on getting this paid?
So I've been in touch with legal services. They said they can help. And I also been in touch with Salvation Army, and they said they can help as well. I just had surgery on my hand. My wrist has been broke for a couple months, so I haven't been able to work at all. So I'm relying on them to help.
Well, legal services, they said that they would help. What do you mean by that?
They gave me a number to, I'm sorry, it's written down somewhere. They gave me a number to a lady named Jill Baskin, and I guess she helps with like stuff like this. I don't know. I left her a voicemail maybe like an hour ago, so she should be calling me back sometime today or Monday.
All right. But I'm not finding that there's necessarily a tribal issue in this case, ma'am. Here's what I'm going to do. You need to make sure you get back in touch with those individuals. I'm going to find that there's no tribal issue after hearing. I'm going to grant judgment for possession in this case.
Your Honor, I
The
can go to the
total
end of the month.
Pardon?
I can go to the end of the month. The 29th, I think, is the last.
All right. Thank you, sir. So I will indicate that it's judgment amount of $5,798, which is inclusive of cost, with a writ to issue August 29th or thereafter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So, ma'am, you need to let them know that and let them know what the court has done. And then we will and see, that way they know what timeline they're working on. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Willow Ridge Apartments versus Isis Trice.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Sidney Katz, I'm the plaintiff.
She's in zone. Isis Trice.
You can feel the desperation here. The tenants reaching out to legal aid, the Salvation Army, anyone who might help. The judge listens, but ultimately, the law focuses on facts, not feelings. Still, it's a tough watch. Sometimes real life doesn't give you enough time to catch up.
Hi.
Hello, I'll need a camera
Hi,
on,
I'm
please.
sorry.
All right, thank you. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
This is a non-payment rent possession case, second hearing. There's currently a balance due, including cost of $3,141, 3141.
3141. All right. And ma'am, how are you intending on getting that paid?
So the next couple days I work open to close. So Monday I can take them $900. I've been paying them like $1,000 a week to get the balance down now that I'm back working. Also, I have an appointment with Hawk on August 25th. So if that doesn't go good, I should have everything paid off with me picking up hours at work.
All right. Then here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find no tribal issue after a hearing in this matter. I'm going to grant a judgment for possession with the 3141 as the amount due and payable. Since your Hawk appointment occurs on the 26th, you can let them know that I'm extending the writ date in this case to August 29th, the end of the month, 2025, to get that paid. So if you keep paying and you fall short, it's going to be, you're going to try to fill that gap by whatever Hawk will pay for you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was it for me. Have a good weekend.
I think so. Yes, you do the same, sir. Arbor Club versus Holmes, that matters.
The camera check. Even online, courtroom rules still matter. Judges take this seriously because it keeps the process official. But keep an ear out. This next tenant actually has a plan, paying weekly to chip away at debt. Let's see if it's enough to sway the court.
Smith on
Thank you.
motion. Oh, hold on. What's your name? Let's see. You came all the way down here to see me? Did you? What? I know you did. Well, I know you did because I got a dismissal.
I just want to be sure.
You came all the way down you just came down to see me.
Yeah,
right? That's it? All right.
Your Honor, that's the only reason any of us show up.
Is that what it is? Okay. All right. Okay, sir, take care of yourself. Thank you for coming now. But yeah, they're dismissing it. All right, take care.
Thank you.
And that right there, a little courtroom humor to end the day. After a string of tense cases, everyone needs a breather. It's moments like these that remind you, behind all the legal language and judgments, this is still real people trying to navigate tough situations.